Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time every day to stop back at my channel. Okay, again, another really quick video for you guys. This I saw on Instagram. I'll put the lady who I saw. She did a wrapped avocado. So good. So what we did is, this is just one avocado cut in half. I did add some of the everything bagel seasoning from Tones. And then she wrapped it in this bacon. And then she had jalapeno, how do you call that? Aioli? Aioli. So what I did was, this is 1.5 tablespoons of mayo. Any type of mayo you want. I'm not telling you what to use, any type. Then I use this McCormick's garlic jalapeno. And then I had McCormick's just ground jalapeno peppers. And I don't even know what I used. An eighth of a teaspoon, I think it was. I don't even know. I have it somewhere here. Just a little tiny, yeah. Okay, just a little tiny one. I think I used, it's a 1/4 of a teaspoon. Just threw it in there. Let it set on the side. So what you want to do, again, cut your avocados. You want to grab your bacon. Is this one or two? Sometimes the ends are, okay, this is two. So you just want to grab your bacon, wrap it around. I'm going to use more than one because this is very tiny bacon. Okay, and then you take it again and wrap it around just like that. And I push it in the middle. I'm not sure because she didn't show me how to make it. And then you just put it in here. We are making it in our foodie. I have already made one. So we're making it in our Ninja Foodie on the air crisp function. Okay. This be more. I can't get all the bacon. And that is it. So simple. You just do it on that. You throw them in there. You don't need anything in there. I cooked mine with the extra bacon. So you just put the lid down on your foodie and you just hit air crisp. Go ahead it again. I have bacon. I put it on 400, and then if you go down here, it automatically sets it for 20 minutes. But Stefano doesn't like his bacon really that crispy, so I'm going to put it on 15 and check it. After that, you just hit start. There you go. And I'll show you when they're all done. Finished. Now, I don't know, the bacon here was a little bit thinner, but you usually want them totally covered, but this looks really good to me. I don't know, does it look good to you?
Looks good to me.
All right, so, now when you go in here, be really careful because this whole thing is really, really hot. Oh, the bacon grease filled up in that hole. Looks really, really good.
I'm gonna eat that.
Really good. So, when I made mine, my avocados they weren't all the way ripe. So when, you know, they got cooked and stuff, they got really soft and really, really good. So what you want to do is you just want to cut them up. And this is like a dipping sauce for them. You don't have to have that. It's just a suggestion. Use whatever type of sauce you want. You can have eggs with this, whatever you want. Steak. This would be good for a side dish like.
Yeah, I think I'm going to make it a couple of eggs.
Yeah. And if you want, you probably could do that egg. Like, you could crack an egg in there, wrap the bacon around it, and then make it in here. I bet that would be really good.
Probably.
So we'll try that tomorrow, and I'll show you. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is a quick tip. Again, I got it from Instagram. If you want to see some awesome recipes, follow everybody over Instagram. Amazing, amazing chefs. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I always say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.